All right, good morning, everyone. So pre-market just began and it is September 21, 2023. I'm going to talk about polish.com real quick in this video because in my Discord I was asked by one of the members, is this a good time to buy it? First, I want to get something out of the way. Penny stocks trading at 9 cents trade for a specific reason, and that is because they deserve to be down there most of the times, almost always. Financials are really bad and all that stuff. If you're going to get involved in polish.com, POL is the ticker symbol, you would only get involved in it if you wanted to day trade or do a short-term trade. That's my opinion, so I got that out of the way. With polish.com, guys, POL at 9 cents, it is very attractive, right? BB used to be just recently, year to date, actually it was at as close as 80 cents, let's say, right? So at the end of the video, I will tell you what I think and how we should go about trading this if you were to thinking about trading this. But is this a buy, guys? Before I get to it, join the Discord. Bull Market Watch is my Discord. Why should you join it? Well, you have access to what I buy and sell live and ahead of time, meaning that I will tell you ahead of time before I buy something that, hey guys, I want to buy that stock at that price, so you are well informed. And guess what? My pick so far is the numbers you see right now in 2023. I'm not making them up. They were done live. They were called out ahead of time. So it's just amazing. 256 picks that I said in my Discord have already been sold profitable. 44 open positions. Some of these will close this year, and only 9 for a loss. My Discord link will be in the comment section below, in the description of the video, or in the about page of the YouTube channel. Guys, polish.com announces notification in New York of NYSE American continued listing deficiencies. So check this out. This was on September 15, 2023. So the New York Stock Exchange American staff determined that the company's continued listing is predicated on it affecting a reverse stock split of its common stock or otherwise demonstrating sustained price improvement within the time span of up until March 13, 2024. So up until March 13, 2024, polish.com has two choices: either to get its stock over $1 or to do a reverse stock split. They've got plenty of time until then, right? So that gives us a lot of cushion, a lot of time to find an opportunity to get into this and sell it at a gain. So plenty of time. That's good. They're not going to do a reverse stock split right now. In fact, they're not going to do a reverse stock split anytime soon before a specific date in October. We'll get to that real quick. So you are cordially invited to attend a special. This was on September 18. This filing came out, and it basically says that shareholders are invited to a special meeting of stockholders of polish.com, which is scheduled to be held on October 17, 2023 at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So until October 17, 2023, there's no way they can do a reverse stock split because they have to vote on that. So that's out of the way. And after that, if they vote, which they will for sure, I'm sure they're going to vote that they're going to be in favor of a reverse stock split. That still doesn't mean that the reverse stock split would occur right away. It could take many months because, hey, they got until March of 2024 to get this stock going. Until at some point, they're just going to try and get this stock going on its own. When they see that it just isn't going to happen, then they'll do a reverse stock split. But also, the price plays a big role. As we had seen in eBet, I had done a video on eBet when it was 4 cents, and I said that it would go up. Because at 4 cents, if eBet had done a reverse stock split at 4 cents, it would have come out something to like $1.25 at the end of the day, because they had voted for a reverse stock split, I think 1 for 30, I don't remember what it was. And it would have come out somewhere around like $1.20, which wouldn't have given them any cushion after that to keep the stock afloat over $1. So at 4 cents, eBet made no sense to do a reverse stock split. And so that's why I had said it was a buy for me. And then it went from 4 to 11 cents. So yeah, that was cool. Now, so it plays a big role where the stock is trading, and the company, if it does a reverse stock split and after the reverse stock split they trade at $1.10, it's stupid. Obviously, they would need to get it a little higher before they do a reverse stock split. But we need to know what the reverse stock split would be, and that would be voted on October 17th. The choices are 1 for 25 that you see here, or 1 for 75. The 1 for 25 would be in the interest of stockholders, in my opinion, as that would mean that the company would need to get, even if they vote for 1 for 25, after that, they would need to get the stock price a little higher in order to do the 1 for 25 to make sense and give them cushion so they don't fall under $1 again. right? So that's my opinion. Proposal number 2 is this. This is going to be also voted on October 17th. A German proposal, right? So that's another one. They could just do this. The adjournment proposal, if adopted, will allow us to adjourn the special meeting from time to time to a later date. So maybe October 17 comes and they don't vote for a reverse stock split. Either way, I think Polish.com, it has a low float also. It's kind of set up in a way where it makes it very attractive to use this and do a short-term trade on it. This is not a long-term trade. This is, a company's horrible and it's a dangerous stock, guys. But what price is the right price to get in? Look, the right price to get in is, it's tough because this stock is going to get pumped from time to time. So, those are unpredictable things, 100%. Can't predict it. But if you can try to go by the best logic possible, in my opinion, 9 cents is still dangerous. It is. You're thinking, what, 9 cents, Mike? How can I lose in 9 cents? Hey, if it goes from 9 cents to 4 cents, you're down over 100%. So what I'm going to do is, and if I miss, oh well. If I miss the train, oh well. But my opinion is this. This is just my opinion. I'm going to set an alarm for 4 cents, right? So I'm going to set an alarm for POL at 4 cents. If the alarm goes off at 4 cents, I will consider getting in at 4 cents because from 4 cents, it makes more sense and it seems way easier and safer to go from 4 cents forward than from 9 cents in my opinion at this time. So that's the way I'm going to do it. If it hits 4 cents, I'm in, and then I'll sell it anywhere from 5, 6, 7, 8 cents. That's enough. 8 cents is 100% gain, right? So that's that in my opinion. That's how I would trade it, as safe as possible. And when you get into these things, please, before you get into any tiny penny stocks, check out the SEC filings from before you get in. Read them all and try to figure out, how because they would help you make a better decision on when to get in. I wish you guys a good trading day today and take care.